It's time. Good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning, good morning. What up, Jason? Right? What's up, One Trader? What's up, Internet? What's up, Amit? What's up, Gabriel? Yeah, you guys like that intro? Guys, we just gotta dance. Gotta get the vibes going. Yeah. Yeah, that's a classic right there. What's up, Martin? Good morning, good morning, good morning. We are live. What's up, Alicia? Nice, True Trades. Hey, lock it in, man. That's a great way. 4K on a funded. Well, you need like one more day? Yeah, yeah. Yeah, we gotta get the vibes going. Start the week. Guys, we got news on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yeah, that's a banger song. I'm definitely gonna get copyrighted on that straight up, so we're gonna have to delete it on the VOD. But for you guys watching the live, you guys get to enjoy it. Yeah, it's a great song. Yeah, they made a game about it too. Nice one, Trader. Yeah, we're starting these guys. We switched down to 5 micros last week, and yeah, we saved these accounts. Knock on wood, we can keep it rolling. Nice. Glad you guys like the song. Yeah, that's a classic. All right, push it up to the highs right here. What I'm noticing is overall trend is bullish. We're making upward trajectory right here. Right now, it's just making pullbacks, ripping up, making new highs, pull back, go on, making new highs, pull back, ripping new highs, pull back, ripping new highs. So I would not look for a short at the moment. I would look for a long entry on a pullback, possibly. Yeah, True Trades. Yeah, that's what I like with prop firms. You get one payout, got a few payouts, then you can reinvest that money and get more accounts. You can like diversify your portfolio. It's pretty nice. That's my plan right now. Yeah, silver is ripping right now. It's ripping hard. Yeah, bears are not looking good today. Yeah, looking pretty bullish. Pretty bullish today, guys. Yeah, silver's at, I think, what, all-time highs? Ugh. Yeah, damn. Yeah, that thing is ripping. People say it's like crazy volatile. So I think it's best we stay out of that. Alright, yeah, making new highs right here. But yeah, guys, so if you haven't had an update with these accounts, we got 5 TakeProfitTrader 50K accounts. We got 5 of them. We got a $3,600 payout, I think 2 weeks ago, week and a half. And then we went on a 3-day losing streak. So what did I do? I sized down to half position. I was trading 1 mini, 10 micros basically, if you want to do like that. And then we switched down to 5 micros. So we're only trading 5 micros per account. And then we went on a 3-day winning streak, and we saved most of it. See, we sized down when we went on the losing streak, and it worked out. Yeah, guys, we're at this freaking 26,000 area, guys. Remember when we first started live streaming, we were literally in this big range of this 26,000 area. And we were playing off this range, yeah, this like top area right here. So it looks like it's trying to push its way there today. I mean, we're only 80 points away right now. I mean, we could hit it today, that 26,000 area. Yeah, the trading has been pretty good, like decent price action, internet. It's pretty nice. Guys, what do we do on slow, choppy days? We stay cash and don't force it. That's when I went on a losing streak. I was trying to force trades on a choppy market. like small candles. No bueno. Nice, M5. M5, you got the 50Ks, right? Alba, you can't do bracket orders when you're copy trading, but I think if you do one account, you can do a bracket order. But since if you're copy trading, you have to do like buy and sell orders manually as your stop and take profit. Like if this line was my entry, I could have like for long, that's my stop loss. You just do it like that. Vlad, I just like this time. Right on, deals. Nice, M5. Hey, Gabriel, why not both? Hey, I don't know. Hey, you never know. But yeah, I'm looking for a pullback. Yeah, it's just whatever time you prefer, honestly. New York market open has been a little too volatile for me. When I like this time because I also get to wake, because I'm on the West Coast, so market open is like right when I wake up around that time. So I'm like foggy eyes, just waking up, tired. When I trade at 9 o'clock, the market's more clearer, moves a little slower. I wake up, I get a little food, maybe some coffee, water. I'm kind of like more focused, you know. So it just depends on what works for you, honestly. Yeah, I know, Venture. It's freaking ripping right now. Silver's going high. And gold. Luis, it depends on you. I like Tradeify because they have the end of day drawdown. But they have payout caps on the daily payout option for the select accounts. But if you want daily payout caps, daily payouts, TakeProfitTrader is pretty good. We're using them. It's just trailing drawdown in the funded. That's the only thing. And then 5 trading days for the challenge. But you can get payouts on day 1, which is nice. They're both good firms. Yep. Yeah, John, it's not working out for him. Yeah, Vlad, we're on the West Coast. Yeah, PST. Good morning, John. Good morning. Thank you, Beyond Limits. Yeah, we got a new vlog tonight, 5 p.m. PST. Road to 250K. We're back. Hey, what's up, Ani? Hey guys, if you guys missed Friday's stream, man, that was probably the best stream. We really capitalized on the turtle soup. Guys, we had a free masterclass boot camp on the turtle soup entry criteria. Guys, look at this. This is literally a freaking turtle soup right here. Formed a false breakout, ripped on up. False breakout, ripped on up. Look, false breakout, wick down, ripped on up. So guys, we could low-key do the turtle soup today. Like, no joke. What's up, Aiden? Yeah, I had a great weekend, John. Hope you guys did as well. Watched the UFC fights. And then, guys, I got recognized for the first time ever in public yesterday. I forgot to, I'm going to tell you guys. I got recognized for the first time in public today. So, Charlie, if you're watching, shout out to you, man. I was at the mall yesterday looking through clothes. And then he went up to me and he goes, "Do you trade?" I was like, "Yeah." He's like, "Oh, shit." And I was like, "Oh, shit." I was like, this is the first time someone recognized me. We were like dapping each other up, talking about trading, and we took a picture. It was pretty sick. Oh, man, it was a great time. Oh, man, I got recognized for the first time in public yesterday. That was pretty sick. Guys, if you ever see me in public, just say what's up. That'd be pretty sick. Yeah. It was kind of cool. Like, my girlfriend and brother and cousin were with me, and they're like, "Oh, shit." He got recognized. Dude, it was hella sick. Yeah, because I was like looking through clothes, and he goes like, "Bro," he's like, "Do you trade?" I'm like, "Yeah." He goes, "Oh shit." We both had that "oh shit" moment. I was super excited because it was my first time ever getting recognized. He was a hella cool guy. So shout out to Charlie, man, if you're watching. Yeah, bullish. We gotta do the turtle soup entry criteria. Yeah, it was a pretty cool feeling, honestly. Yeah, Ani. Yeah. Yeah, if you do the turtle strat, we can get you guys Honda Fits. Great car. Honda Fit. Honda Fit is the GOAT. Call options on Casey. No, it was so cool. Like, I wasn't even expecting it. He just, like, walked up. He's like, do you trade? I'm like, yeah. He's like, I watch your vlogs and everything. He's like, you inspire me and everything. It was cool, man. What's up, Robert? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, everyone. Alright, what I'm thinking is we're pretty bullish right now. I would not look for a short, honestly. I would want to see like a pullback. Because right now it's just pulling back, ripping on up, making a new high. Pull back, ripping on new high. Pull back, ripping on new high. So I'm waiting for a good pullback and a continuation long is what I'm looking for at the moment. yeah. Guys, we need a private security team. We need like Speed's team now. We need like like 4 security guards. What's up, Dave? Good morning, brother. Yes, sir. We got chicken adobo and garlic rice. Yeah, guys, if you guys hating on the Honda Fit, hey, you guys are hating, man. The Honda Fit's sick. Hey, I don't have a problem with nice cars. I like the nice cars. What I'm trying to say in that video is like the younger generation pressuring themselves into buying a nice car to, you know, kind of like flex or look cool, and then they go into debt for nothing, right, at a young age. But when you make it good money, then yeah, celebrate, get a nice car. There's nothing wrong with that. But hey, we're rocking the humble Honda. I fucking love that car. Yeah, guys, we should do like a live stream where we trade in like every state or something. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, Gabriel. Guys, the car is fucking sick. Dude, it literally has no problems. $35 full tank of gas? Like what, 30 miles a gallon? Get you places? Hey, it looks like shit, but it drives pretty well. Alright. Right now, we're just looking for a pullback. Nissan Patrol? Nice, Josh. Yeah, should I pimp it out, Meeks? I put like the Filipino flag or something. Eric, I don't really trade market open a whole lot. And that's usually the time I'm starting to wake up. I like this time. Yep, internet, that's true. Yeah, it's like kind of like an impulse thing. Like, oh, you see him with a nice car, your friend. Oh shit, let me get it. Oh, I gotta get one now to kind of like, you know, like, hey, look at me, you know. But it's like we don't need that shit. Hey, with my new Rolex, you guys see this? My new Rolex. You guys see all the haters? Shino, yeah, we're pretty we're on a bullish uptrend at the moment. Yeah, that's correct. Ollie, yeah, we fixed the live streams. Yep, no problem, Eric. Yeah. Yeah, guys, on the Honda Fit, we're gonna put a freaking turtle on it. Yeah, G-Shocks. Yeah, those are like the OGs. I remember the G-Shocks. The thing with market open, yeah, you can get some pretty good moves, like breakouts, but it's just moving so fast, and like a 10-15 point stop loss could just, like, you could be right, and then at market open it just so like fast that it will stop you out and then rip in your favor. And it's like, I'm not trading with a 30-point stop loss in my style, right? It's too big for me. So that's why I kind of like this slower time, because it kind of respects the 10-15 point stop losses for me, and that's what I usually like to do. Max I usually have is like a 20-point stop, but most of the time 10 to 15. It just depends. Guys, look, false breakout, rip on up. False breakout, rip on up. Tempting. Yeah, internet, they're classics. They never break. It's like the Honda Fit, like an old reliable watch. Shit, it works out. You don't need like that fancy shit. Yeah, that is true, Gabriel. Yep. Yeah, market open, if it works for you, you guys can trade it. Like, there's nothing wrong with it. It's a little too fast for me at times. Casios, yep. Nice, Josh. I'm rocking the Fitbit, dude. I freaking love this thing. Tracks everything. Guys, look at this. Pullback, continuation long. Rip the highs. Pullback, continuation long. Rip the highs. Turtle soup false breakout right here. Right here. False breakout. Rip on up. What, are they putting diamonds and shit on that? M5. But yeah, guys, we're just being patient right now. Waiting for a pullback entry, which we might kind of see it very soon. Yeah, Meeks, we're trying, man. Dude, I really want that 100K plaque. That 100K plaque. That would be freaking sick. Yeah, we could definitely hit 10K pretty soon. I mean, we're at like, we gained like 600 subscribers since the beginning of the year, which is pretty good. We're gaining like 20, 30 a day. Pretty good. My Instagram is like a little over 300 now. The people love the freaking order filled trading recaps on Instagram, man. I'm telling you, they love that order filled. So the Instagram's growing a little too. Then our Discord's at like 1,070 now. Yeah, it's going pretty good. Yeah, Ollie, call it a day. Yeah, TradeDay, I saw that this morning. MyFundedFutures got rid of their core accounts. Dude, people were sleeping on those accounts, honestly. $77 all in. No activation fee. End of day drawdown. Those are pretty damn good accounts. I don't know why they got rid of it, though. Sup, Taco? Thanks for tuning in. Yeah, I don't know why they got rid of it. Maybe it was like taken advantage of too, maybe because it was too overpowered. I don't know. Yeah, order field. Order field. Ollie, yeah, you can have a daily loss limit, also like a set take profit, but you can also just like change it into settings real quick. Like you can just take it off real quick. But you can, Ollie, you can fix it in your application settings. Yeah, guys, so we do have news, I think, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday this week. We have FOMC on Wednesday. We have unemployment at 5:30 on Thursday. And then PPI on Friday. So we have no news today and no news tomorrow. Just like an orange folder at 7 a.m. But yeah, so today and Tuesday we might experience chop. Might. Like slower choppy for that bigger moves on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yeah, they got rid of the core accounts. Yeah, Lucid's pretty good. Yeah, because, like, think about it. You're paying $77, and then you can get a $3 grand payout up to 5 payouts. So you can get, after the fees, like 12 grand in payouts off a $77 investment. That's pretty fucking... That's what I'm saying, guys. Like, people were sleeping on that. And then you could have 5 accounts. You could have got 48 grand in payouts, potentially. Is it? 12... 60 grand in payouts off of like a what, $385 investment? Man, those were slept on. Yeah, Ollie, it's just best to hit that X in the upper right hand corner and just leave the computer. Honestly. Jasmine, for the pro accounts, you can request anything over $2,100 for the 50K, $1,000 minimum. So you need like a $3,100 balance to request a payout. Oh, hi, Blue. The rapid... I heard something meowing. The rapid plans, you can request anything daily over $2,100 for the 50K, which is pretty nice. The rapid plans are basically like the TakeProfitTrader, but you get a 10% cut. Yeah, that's a good max right there, internet. What's up, Andre? No, Ollie. Leave, man. It's not worth it. Don't do it. Yeah, I don't know why they haven't added bracket orders, honestly. They should. What's up, Just Ain't Right? Yeah, happy Monday, everyone. Let's get it. We're starting the week right. So we might, like I said, we might have chop today and tomorrow. We might. Right now, it's kind of slowing down. Still having a direction. We're still bullish. Just a little slower. Nice, Ollie. Yeah, I had no idea they were going to get rid of the core accounts. They said they might be... I think they're adding a new plan with MyFundedFutures. So, we'll see. The Rapid plans, they only have the Rapid and Pro accounts. The Rapid is basically like the TakeProfitTrader. And then the Pro is like... basically like expert accounts, if you guys don't know what those were. Alright, pushing to the highs of the day right here. No trades yet today, guys. Oh yeah, guys, Lucid 40% off all accounts till March 1st. All the evals, 40% off. Yeah, yeah, internet. I heard people also really like the scale accounts, but they got rid of those. Yeah, let's get it, Isaac. Let's get it, everyone. Luis, I would have said that MyFundedFutures core account, honestly, but they got rid of that, so that's not an option. Probably would want to choose one with an end of day drawdown. So I would say like Tradeify or Lucid. Luis. Like TakeProfitTrader, Pro accounts, and then MyFundedFutures Rapid. They're good, but they start with trailing drawdown. So if you're a beginner, it's a lot harder to trade, and I wouldn't recommend it. Trailing drawdowns like more for like advanced traders, or if you're used to it. They're just a lot harder to trade. So I would get one with the end of day drawdown. Luis. Yeah, see, we are just ripping right now. The metals are ripping. NQ's ripping. Or I want to see a pullback and then enter long. That's the plan. That would have been a nice entry, but can't be perfect. Yep. Thank you, Sheena. I appreciate it, man. It means a lot. Thank you. No problem, Luis. Yeah, Gabriel. That's the one thing. If TopStep had all the other platforms still, they would have been, still top firm for me. But the fact that you can only trade on TopStep X is, I don't trade on there. I don't like it. But other people like it, and that's okay. Gold. Yeah, gold and silver are, gosh, silver is ripping. Damn. Holy crap. Dude, John, I got freaking copyrighted for that song. I had to get it off the VOD. That was a great song, John. Yeah, that was a great day on Friday, guys. That was a great stream. We were vibing and stuff.
Order filled.
I'm going to take a long right here. Waiting for a pullback, like I said, and enter long. That is the plan. We're only going to risk like 10, 11 points. What it's been doing, guys, it's just been ripping, making a new high, pullback, ripping new high, pullback, ripping new high, pullback. That is the plan. So at the moment, I would not short at the moment. There we go. There we go. Breaking down here, I do not like that. Whoa. Do you guys see that? Dude, it literally bounced right on top of my freaking stop loss. I did not like that. Just dance, Could be okay. No.
Stop filled.
Oh man, dude, it literally bounced right up. Do you guys see that wick? How fast it wicked and bounced right on top of the stop? Holy crap! Oh my gosh. Yeah, that was a great day on Friday. Dude, we were vibing on that day. Guy, yeah, you saw that on the first aggressive wick down? It literally bounced right on top of my stop and ripped on up. And then it stopped me out, unfortunately. Look, see, we only took like a 12-point stop. We'll see how it reacts. Because, look, it's been doing these... This could be a turtle soup entry still. False breakout, rip onto the high. Look, wick down, down, wick on down. False breakout, made a new high. Dude, this might be a turtle soup formation right here. Yeah, we gotta be a little cautious, so that's why we had a tighter stop. Dude, John, you're ripping the freaking turtle soup. And we had the champions going. The champion song. Let's go, champions. Yeah, lefty. Guys, we have a turtle bullish soup in progress. Correlating with the equilibrium high. Also corresponding with my prefrontal cortex, which is also at an all-time high. You can buy the course. Link in my bio. Alright, I just want to see if this is a pullback. And then just rip on up again. Because that's what it's been doing too. You guys see these? It makes a big wick and then rips up. Makes a big rip and then rips up. So I want to see if this is actually a rip or it's actually making a reversal here. So we're going to be cautious here. Yeah, yeah. Guys, Friday, yeah, that was a great... Thank you all for being there. That was an amazing stream. We were just joking around at the end. Turtle soup. Yeah, that was a great day. Internet, we had like the turtles in the chat. Hey, glad to hear that, Aiden. Yeah, guys, you can do anything. Guys, if you correspond the moon title strategy with the turtle soup, man, oh man. Oh man, it's bouncing right here now. Very interesting. Let's go, Mike. Come on, Mike. Turtle soup that. Guys, this could be a false breakout. Right here. Guys, this is the turtle forming right here. False breakout. But yeah, it's been like wicking today. You guys see these wicks? These big wicks. False breakouts. False breakouts. Good job, Kenji. Yeah, sometimes after like a really good day of trading, and I'm like feeling a little tired, I'll take a nap. Feels pretty good. Like a 30-minute hour nap. Oh man, you sleep pretty good. Good job, Kenji. Or I want to see how it reacts to this right here. It's A98 area. I want to see if it bounces or breaks it too. It is making a lower high, which is not the best, but we'll see how it reacts. Power nap, guys. Power nap. Yeah, internet. Sometimes, guy. Yeah, sometimes after my stream, I'll like stay awake for like an hour and like edit videos and stuff. And sometimes I'll take like a 30-minute nap or something before the gym. It's actually pretty nice. You feel wide awake right after. Okay, power nap, guys. Power nap. Yeah, guys, we have the double C concepts, Casinator. Guys, the Casinator champion course. The triple C. Triple C. Casinator's champion course. Hey, you like how they call it like a boot camp? Hey, join my training day trading boot camp. $1,000 one-time fee. Damn, Sacred. Freaking eating today, man. Freaking lock it in. Mike, I accept crypto, Zelle, Bankwire, cash. It's a lot of sketchy payment options too that are irreversible. Oh god. Yeah. No credit cards, no PayPal, crypto, Zelle, Bankwire. C-square concepts. Alright, guys. We're going to learn the best strategy of all time. We're going to start the boot camp with the turtle soup. We're going to start the boot camp with the turtle soup. And then on Friday, we're just going to replay that stream. Just the whole stream. And we're like, you got to watch this 10 times. Really grasp the turtle soup entry. Nice, Sacred. Lock it in, man. Yeah, I will take some turtles. Yeah, Mike. I'll take some tortoises. If you give me a few tortoises, I could do you a deal on that. True trades, yeah. But you can get it in as little as 2 days, 2 to 3 days, and then you can flip the rest of the days. As long as you're under the 50% consistency rule. So as long as your biggest day for the 50K account is not more than $1,500, you should be fine. And then, like, let's say you make it on 3 days, like $1,000 each, for example. You can just trade one micro on the other 2 days just to flip and count it, and they'll let you pass. No problem, true trades. Yeah, like, I'll take some tortoises. I like the tortoises. It's basically like a bigger turtle, and they go on land. Guys, we gotta do the new and improved turtle soup. The tortoise. The tortoise. Forming a nice tortoise entry right here. Guys, we just make like the concepts. Like, we'll start with turtle soup. We'll move on to the tortoise. And then we got the snapping turtle. The snapping turtle is a false breakout that correlates with the tortoise. Oh man, it's like all these concepts mixed together. It's like, oh my gosh. We had the silver bullet correlating with the we guys, we gotta watch out for smart money to take out this liquidity sweep downward right here. All right. It's an interesting close. Han, we just took one trade, small loss, 12 points. We got stopped out right here looking for a long. Yeah, I wouldn't enter right here, 912. I mean, if I had a 15-point stop, I would have got stopped. Dude, it bounced so hard off my stop loss. Oh my gosh. The trend is still bullish, but it is doing a little hesitation right here on this top area. Oh God, F5. No. No. Kai, it's like a really top secret strategy we learned on Friday. We literally learned it on Friday on stream. It's a new concept. It's very good. You will not regret the turtle soup. Guys, it kind of did. Look, we're kind of turtle souping today. Look at this. False breakout. Rip. False breakout. Rip. False breakout. Guys. Yeah, Jones. They always do when those trading gurus, they only 3 spots left in my special boot camp. Join now before it sells out. And it makes people like, oh my gosh, his boot camp's gonna sell out. I don't want to wait months. It's like they're pressuring you to incentive for you to buy it right away. And guys, there's probably more than likely 3 spots left. Okay, they would have 100 people buy that shit. Jail, M5, jail, prison. Hey, wait. I have a perfect one for the prison. Wait.
Federal. Go to fucking federal prison. Federal fucking prison.
M5, federal fucking prison. Come on. Not jail, federal prison. Straight to jail, no questions asked. Hey, you rolled doubles 3 times in a row? Straight to jail, buddy. Come on. Put the baby oil in the bag. Straight to jail. No questions asked. Kai, it's kind of like a joke, the turtle soup. It is actually a legit strategy, but we were kind of just joking around about it, if we're being honest. Good morning, Twain. Yeah, guys, we cannot leak that strategy. We gotta keep it on the DL. We gotta keep it low. we can't be, guys. We gotta have a max viewers in this stream now. We're gonna cap it at like 150. We can't let the secret strategies go to the public. We could go to federal prison for that. Yeah. No stop loss, straight to jail. No questions asked. Too big of a stop? Jail. Yeah. Guys, we gotta do the moon strat correlating with the Diddy turtle soup entry. They always use like correlating. Hey, corresponding with the, okay, that was a big wick. Do you guys see that? New 5-minute. Correlating. Corresponding with this entry right here. Alright, I want to see how it reacts to this area. I want to see if it either bounces or just rips on down. If we do rip on now, we could get a gap to the downside. But the overall trend is still bullish at the moment, but at the moment it's making lower highs. So we might see a reversal. We got to see. We don't want to get faked out right here. We don't want to turtle soup ourselves, okay, guys? Bills. Hey, Siri, what's the moon looking like tonight? Yeah, Martin, it might break right here, which it's doing right now, and then fall short. So that's why I want to be patient right here. I want to see if there's actually a bounce or like it actually like a reversal happening, which it's breaking down and it is making lower highs at the moment. So we'll see. Yeah. Straight to jail, buddy. Federal prison. No questions asked.
Federal fucking prison.
Guys, you see Dana White in the UFC? They canceled a fight because there's been abnormally weird wagers on the fights, where like a guy's a favorite, and then all of a sudden there's like giant, massive bets on the other guy that's like an underdog to win, and then that happened like I think a few months ago, and then the underdog beat the guy in the first round. He like knocked him out. And then there's huge bets on the underdog to win that night. So it's like abnormally large bets. He's like, yeah, we're getting the FBI involved. Oh, yeah. This is why I'm being patient, guys. Because I don't know if this is like a reversal happening. I don't wait for confirmation. Or like just a bounce. And then it's just doing these like wicks and then just rip up and make a new high. We don't want to get caught in that. We want to wait for confirmation of where it's actually going to go. That's why we're staying cash at the moment. Yep. Yeah, internet. Yeah, like this, the underdog was like hanging around these like influencers or whatever, and I think those guys were like betting big on him. Like big bets or something. Something weird. And I think they found out it was rigged or something. I don't know. I'm not into that. I don't like the sports gambling shit. I don't like it. All I know is Dana White was pissed. Just pure Tradovate, John. Twain, we took one trade, small loss, 12 points. We took a long right here and got stopped out. And good thing we got out. I mean, we would have got... If we're still in it, we'd be down a lot. But it did come back up here. Yeah, small loss. Alright, it looks like it's kind of coming back down here, guys. Not going to lie. That looks kind of bearish. This big red candle breaking levels down. We were pretty bullish. I had a bullish incentive right off the start of the stream and today. And it was pretty bullish. But at the moment, it's making lower highs, breaking levels down. Big red candle coming in. So we're going to be a little cautious right here. John, yeah. Yeah, people are like... They get so confused by my strategy and... my levels, my levels, and how I only trade on the 5-minute, and I do everything on Tradovate. Like I don't use TradingView. There's nothing wrong with TradingView. TradingView is great. I just use this. All right, new 5-minute here.
Order filled.
Alright. Oh, whoops.
Order filled.
Alright, now we're in. We're going to take a breakout short. Could be a little risky. That's why I'm going to have a tighter stop again. Like 12 points. If it comes back here, I do not want to be in that trade. I want to see a nice breakout to the downside right here. It looks like it's making a reversal. We had a very bullish incentive at the morning, but we got stopped out going long. And it's breaking levels down. And it's making lower highs. And yeah, we're trying to catch this downside reversal. So, worst case, we get stopped out, small loss. We'll survive. Coming back up here, do not like to see that. I do not like that. We need to see a rip down now.
Stop filled.
Damn. We got faked out fucking hard right there, guys. Holy crap. Got faked out hard. We took a breakout to the downside. Moved pretty good for the first 10 seconds, and then that was just a big yeet right there. So good thing we had a tight stop loss right there, because I would not want to catch a big stop. Yeah, that was a pretty big fake out right there. That good thing we had a tight stop. So we are down 23 points on the day. We're 0 for 2. It's not bad. I mean, we managed our risk pretty well, I think. We only had tight stops. 11, 12 points. I was looking for a breakout down to the downside. But, I don't know. Nice job, John. John, you've been cooking, bro. You gotta play that song. Dude, guys, we just got fucking turtle souped. We literally counterintuitive. We just counteracted our own strategy. What the fuck? We literally got turtle soup. You're right. We got faked out. False breakout. Wait, guys, we just literally did a false breakout on ourselves. What the fuck? No way. We literally got turtle soup, guys. Oh man. That was a turtle soup. That literally was a turtle soup. Well, good thing we had a tight stop. Alright, we're only down 230. That's not really that bad, honestly. You can make that back on one trade. Here's my plan. We'll take one more trade on this account. If it's a loss, we are automatically done on the day. Yeah. That's the plan. We're 0 for 2 on the day, guys. We got turtle souped. Oh my gosh. Guys, that's why you gotta put a 99.999% win rate. It's always at 0.0001%. Yeah, Ollie, we got faked out pretty bad right there. Yeah, here's the plan, guys. If we do see another clean setup, we'll take it. Small risk. Same thing, like 10 points. 10, 12 points. Yeah, M5, you're actually right. We do have another hour candle in 5 minutes. That is, thank you, M5. Forgot about that. So we're gonna wait. We want to see where this hour closes. So we took a long right here, stopped out, came back up to break even, then ripped on down. Alright, breakout short. Man, we got turtle soup. Alright, we got a new 5-minute right here. I mean, worst case, we still had the alpha group. The alpha futures. We got 3 funded accounts with them. Worst case. Don't tell me the shorts are going to pay now. Yeah, it sucks, but yeah, Ollie, you're right, but we can't be mad about it, right? You can't be dwell about it. You can't be like, oh my gosh, this is so stupid. Throwing around things, getting angry. We managed our risk well, I think. We had 10, 12 point stop losses. And yeah, we just got a little unlucky on that entry right there. Alright, guys, we need to see where the chat wants to go. What's up, Michael? Thanks for joining in, brother. Where are we going, everyone? Dude, is it forming another false breakout? Dude, I think it formed another false breakout right there. Look, it's trying to go long again. All right, where are we going, everyone? We have also mixed incentives in the chat. We got people saying downside and upside still. Yeah, we might see just like a big like this and then just yeet. Like a big ass candle right there. Venture, I stopped using the EMAs. I used to use the 9 and like 21 EMA, but I stopped using them. I just do like price action and levels now, pretty much. All right, yeah, this is a weird area, so I think it's best we stay cash right here because it looks like it's trying to pop up and then it looks like it's trying to fall back down. So right here is kind of a weird area. And guys, this 26,000 area is a big rejection area, and we were only 70 points away at the high of the day right here. Guys, we're 50-50 on the polls right now. We got like 50% going up, 50% going down. This is the closest we've ever been on a poll. Beard maintaining? I literally just wash it and shit, just like when I shower. That's it. I don't put nothing on it. You gotta let it marinate. What's up, Tommy? It happens, man. That's good that you locked out. You gotta keep your losses small. That's a good small loss right there. It's all good. You can get it back this week. Yeah, guys, literally, we have the chat. Dude, everyone's saying it's like 50-50 right now. Now it's 50% going up. We got a new hour in 1 minute, so I don't see where that candle closes. Well, right now, look, we're very. I had a very bullish start at the start of the stream. That's why we took a long. Well, then it started. Looks like it was like making lower highs, reversing down. New levels down, higher lows, breaking levels down. That's why I took a breakout short. So, yeah, we gotta see. This is a little tricky. It's kind of like wicking. Baby oil. Yeah, venture capital, yep. Everyone has their own idea, their own hypothesis, their own theory. Everything. That's why I like trading, though. Like, it's all unique. Nice try, Diddy. Alright, we got a new hour candle here. Let's see where it wants to go. Well, that was a big sell right there. But the thing is it just a wick, like what it's been doing these wicks, and then just rip up and make a new high? Like, this was a big wick. It really just wicked and then just ripped on up. Wick, ripped on up. This low-key might be forming that right here. Yeah, this is what I'm thinking. That's why I took a short breakout. But we got stopped. Guys, look at this. What did I say? This is just a freaking wick. But hey, I could be wrong. I'm just some guy on YouTube. I'm literally just a normal dude on YouTube. Guys, it's making a freaking wick, rip up, turtle soup, false breakout. Okay, guys, what did we learn on Friday? We learned the turtle soup. I think the turtle soup is playing out today. We got turtle soups right here ourselves. We need to make the turtle soup. We need to make it happen. Yeah, this is a lot of fake outs. That's what I got faked out pretty hard on these two trades. So, in a market like this, if we're not really confident, maybe we should just stay cash at the moment. We don't need to force a trade, guys. We're already 0 for 2 on the day. We're down 230 bucks. Nothing crazy. That's very small, okay? We can make it back on one trade, all right? But we managed our risk very well. That was very important. So, I think we did pretty well. Honestly, we gotta manage our losses well. Oh yeah, let's look at the 4 hour. Alright, look at the 4 hour. There's kind of a rejection area right here at the high of day, that 935 area kinda. There's like a, look at that. They rejected off there a few times, guys. This 930, okay, see, that's something to keep in mind. This 26,000 area is also a rejection area right here. Remember we were trading that a few weeks ago? Oh no, that was the hour. Was that the hour? No. Yeah, 4 hour right here, 4 hour. Guys, this 935 area is a big rejection area. This 940. Yeah. Guys, yeah, Twain. If I'm thinking about going along, maybe we should just short it. And if we're looking for a short, maybe we should long it on a reversal market. We got trick NASDAQ. We got trick it. This is the 1 hour. Well, I feel like the 4 hour respects the levels more compared to the 1 hour. Yeah, Venture, I mean, it rejected off there a lot. You see this? Just came on ripping down. Literally wicked it right there on that top wick and ripped on down. Rejected off here numerous times. But then if it breaks, that 26,000 area was also another key level. So, we shall see, guys. We shall see. Dude, we literally still have half the chat going up and going down. Honestly, on this, I think we're like, I have no idea what it's going to do. Like, straight up. I don't know. I literally don't know. My crystal ball right here is not working right now. So, I want to see what it does first. We need to just stay cash. $865? Nice. Yeah, guys. Literally, guys, we are literally 50. This is the closest we've been on a poll. We're literally 50-50. Where do you guys think we're going? Enter the poll right now. All right, new 5-minute right here. I mean, that looks like a bearish close, but then it just wicks and then comes right back up and then fakes us out. So should we just like turtle soup that shit? I don't know. Yeah, guys. Honestly, guys, this is a tricky market day, and the best time on these types of days is straight up stay cash. Like, honestly, like on a day like this that does fake outs and wicks. Yeah, we had trending day morning right here, but right now it's kind of like, look at this. Is this going to be another wick and then just pop back up here? That's another, like, what, 20 points? Because, guys, remember, we have news Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So, Monday, today, and Tuesday, tomorrow, we could see some chop. Thank you, Roderick. I really appreciate you, man. I wish you guys a very profitable 2026 as well. Thank you. Yeah, Alicia, it might chop around. Well, guys, what we've also been seeing the last few weeks is we see like a big move up in a direction, like go rip up high, and then it just makes a big reversal. We saw that on Wednesday last week, like 400 or 500 points to the upside, 500 points back to the downside and 500 points back up. I mean, we're up like over 200 points from the market open area. So on a no news Monday, there's no news today, so I mean that's decent. Now, hey, now we have sellers taken down to the downside in the poll, guys. Oh yeah. I'll get some water. I'll be right back. All right, we're back. Good morning, Zach. Gabriel, yeah, maybe you should stay cash, brother. Today's not a good day to like push and go crazy. See, what I'm seeing right here is like, I don't know if this is like a turtle soup, right? Literally, jokes aside, false breakout, then pop right back up. Right now, I've just been doing that. Make a little wick, and then pop right back up, like quickly, like 20, 30 points. Yeah, Venture, yeah. Yeah, Zach, yeah. Alright. Dude, that's the move I was looking for. Look at this. Alright. Guys, literally the poll is tied right now. 50-50. Literally 50-50. Charmin, we're 0 for 2 on the day. We're down like $230. But we managed our risk pretty well. We had tight stop losses, so I think we played it well. We got faked out pretty hard, honestly. We got faked out really hard right here. We took a breakout to the downside and got instantly stopped, pretty much. Alright, we got a new 5-minute 10-10 candle. Guys, this is what I was talking about. Look at this. It makes a rip, wick, then pops right back up. That is true, Venture. It is making lower wicks, so that's why we're going to be cautious. And look at this 5-minute candle. It did not pop up right back to here at this 897 level right here. It is making lower lows. You see this? It is breaking down, so we were entering a longs. Entering on a long on a pullback worked out pretty good this morning. So maybe entering a short on a pullback, vice versa, might work. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, guys. If I see another clean setup, I'll take it. And if it's a loss, we're automatically done on these accounts. Straight up. We're 0 for 3, like, call it a day. We gotta practice discipline on the losing days as well. So yeah, guys. If you guys haven't watched, we're 0 for 2 on the day. We got faked out pretty hard. We literally had our own strategy work out against us. We got turtle souped. Oh, damn, Zach. It happens, man. You guys think we're going to hit? A lot of people saying the 850s right here. Yeah, that is a big area we could hit if we continue selling lower. See, look at what it's doing right now. It's falling down, then popping right back up. Falling down, popping right back up. But it is making lower lows. So, triple top, Evan. Alright, we got a new 5 minute in 53 seconds. Alright, we got a new 5 minute in 20 seconds. I want to see where it wants to close. Alright, here's a new candle. Zach, we're working on 5 TakeProfitTrader 50Ks. Dude, this is so tricky. This is such tricky price action. Look, it's popping right back up here, guys. Hey, do you guys watch the Justin Gaethje and Paddy Pimblett fight on Saturday? Anyone watch that? Alright, guys. We're just staying cash right here. John, that was a hell of a good fight. Oh my gosh. I thought he was going to get knocked out. Yeah. I thought he was going to get knocked down like the first, second round of Paddy. Yeah, that was a hella good fight, guys. Dude, I give way props to Paddy, man. He was taking a beating, man. He kept coming up. And Justin was like throwing hard. He was like throwing it like full out. Paddy would fall down. He would get right back up, man. That's what it's all about. Yeah, Paddy did get eye fucked. John, yeah. Jim Bob Jones. No, that was a hell of a good fight, though. They were just throwing. It really made up all the other fights of the night. That night. Bouncing right here. Hey, you think Justin Gaethje's gonna fight like Taporia or Armon maybe? Those are the top 3 in the lightweight right now. Oh yeah, Patty got knocked out. No, he didn't get knocked out. He got knocked down a lot, but that was a hella good fight. I do like Sean O'Malley, but honestly, do you guys see that? Do you guys just see that? This is such a tricky market, guys. This is very tricky. A lot of people get wrecked right here. I got wrecked right here. I got faked out so hard. I really thought Song won that fight, though, against Sean O'Malley on Saturday. I really thought Song won. Like, honestly. That's why I was really surprised when Sean O'Malley won all 3 judges. Okay, what is this? What is this? You guys see this? The fuck? Guys, well, the Bears just got fucking wrecked right here. I mean, I wouldn't blame you, honestly. I would have looked for a short, possibly. But they got stopped out hard. I don't know. This is a very tricky market, guys, like, straight up. Hey, John, I was literally telling my brother that on the fight. I literally was telling them, like, dude, like, I literally want to see Derek Lewis knock him out in the first round. Take off his boxers. Go crazy. Dude, Derek Lewis is hella funny. Dude, when he knocked out a guy, Joe Rogan's like, Derek, why'd you take off your pants? He goes, my balls was hot. He goes, I understand. Joe Rogan, I understand. That was hella funny. Yeah, guys, this is pretty tricky. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, honestly, guys, a lot of people, like, literally in our chat right here was, like, straight up 50-50, and I was kind of, like, too, like, I didn't even know. Like, straight up, I didn't know. I thought we were falling short at the beginning of the stream. I thought we were going long, and then it looked like we're falling short. But now we're kind of just weird mumbo jumbo right here. We're getting faked out right here. Nice, Ollie. Bro, some dude bet $1.3 million on Patty on a Poly Market. $1.3 million for Patty to win. Dude, oh man, he was clinching his ass literally since the first round. Like, straight up. That first round when he got knocked down. Oh man, dude, I could just see him like just like staring at the screen like that. Dude, $1.3 million? Jesus. Dude, betting on the UFC fights is like, it's so gambling. Like, there's literally upsets all the time. Like, Patty was a favorite in that fight. Yeah, if you betting $1.3 million, you better have, like, fuck you money, like, over $1 billion or something. Dude, betting that's literally a full-on California house paid off, man. Sub Discipline Futures Traders. I just like NQ. I've always traded it, and it works. Zach, yeah, I'm trading 5 micros per account. 5 accounts right here. We're on the copy trader. Yeah, Gabriel. I mean, we've seen like some weird choppy days, like Thursday and Fridays, because that's when there was no news. And there's no news today or tomorrow. And we have news Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So we could see the bigger, that's what I'm saying, we could see the bigger moves on the later in the week. So that's why we don't want to lose a lot of our capital here, right? No, Justin was freaking throwing, yeah. John, he was throwing down. He was throwing hard, too. But Patty ate him, like, dude, right when, like, Justin, like, freaking rocked him, I was like, oh my god. I was like, he's gonna get knocked out. He's done. Patty got right back up. I was like, damn, I respect both. That was a really good fight. Yeah, thank you, Zach. Beyond Limits. I only drink energy drinks like when I go fishing or something. But like on like a normal day, I just drink like 2 cups of coffee, just plain coffee, no like sugar or anything, just plain coffee on the Keurig. Dude, is it gonna break out back to the upside right here? The one trader, no, I don't trade YM. Dude, Discipline Future Trade, you got balls for betting 40 racks on that, damn. Holy, yeah, I'd be clinching too. 40 racks on a fight? Nah, I have so much anxiety on that. Right on, Zach. Yep. Yeah. Just be very. I want consistent daily payouts coming in. Try not to blow accounts. Like, knock on wood. These accounts, we just bought them 5, and we've been running. We're keeping them alive. Yeah, Patty was a freaking beast. Yeah, Tradeify. That's what I like about those bigger fights. That a lot of them have respect for each other because they know how hard it is fighting is. And Justin even was like, "Damn!" After the fight, he was like, "Damn!" He's like, "This dude does not get knocked out." He's like, "I was throwing hard." Justin was throwing hard too. I thought he was gonna get knocked out in the first and second, and then at the beginning of the third. But then Patty came back hard on the third. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this breakout back to the upside right here. We got a new 5-minute in 25 seconds. Yeah, nothing like a plain coffee right in the morning when you wake up. Oh man, I'm just chilling. Zara, that would be a hell of a fight, honestly. Our new 5-minute right here. Discipline, I don't at the moment. Good job, John. Yeah, Trader Bob. Joe Rogan, too, was like, dude, Justin is just throwing. He's just throwing haymakers right now. Simplistic. Like, TakeProfitTrader, Tradeify, Lucid, MyFundedFutures, they're all good firms. Guys, John's been cooking. John was cooking on Friday, guys. If you guys miss it, John was cooking. He was eating that turtle soup with the chicken adobo. And the garlic rice. What's up, Victor? Cooking up that turtle soup, yeah. Bonwoo, yeah. Yeah, usually at that 10:30 candle, guys, in 3 minutes, we usually see some volatility recently. We've been seeing some volatility spikes on that time. So we'll see we'll see where that goes. Yeah, I'm half Filipino. Thank you, Garv. Appreciate you, brother, like always. Thank you. Yeah, Lucid got the 40% off any evals, guys. Any evals. Till March 1st. Dun. Zach, yeah, I freaking love lumpia. I love lumpia. The little sweet sauce. Yeah, guys, we got 130 people watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. We get the live streams running Monday through Friday for free. Keep it rolling out. Yeah, Lucid's a good firm. Yeah, guys, let's see where this 1030 candle goes. If I see another setup, I'll take it. If not, I'll just stay cash for the rest of the day, honestly. Today's not really a day to force it on fake outs. Like, honestly. Yeah, Zach, it's really good, man. You should get it. Lumpia, chicken adobo. My favorite is sisig, man. Sisig is fire. Sisig is really fire. Goth Boy, we went on a 3-day losing streak last week, and then we went on a 3-day winning streak again. And now today we're only down $230. Very small losses, like 10 points each. Nothing crazy. We got faked out pretty hard. But our accounts are at like 1450, so they're doing fine. All right, we got 1 minute for that 1030 candle. Thank you, Little Dragon. Appreciate you, man. Dow's pumping, yeah. Nice. Puerto Rican food is fire, Zach. I had some last week. Like a bistec sandwich with mariquita chips. Fire. I'm a little Puerto Rican too. My great grandpa was full Puerto Rican. All right, we got a new we got the new 30-minute in 8 seconds now. We usually see some volatility on this candle, so we'll see how it wants to move. Lately, we've been seeing that. All right, here it is. Not a whole lot of pushing up now. Now we're getting a little push. Yeah, Goth Boy, easy comeback. We can literally make that on one trade, literally. That's only 23 points. Penny, it's just a 10:30 a.m. PST candle. Lately, we've just been seeing a little more volatility on that candle on the last live streams. It's just a 10:30 a.m. candle. Sasha, yeah. Nice, Zach. Yeah, dude, I love freaking food. Disciplined futures trader. Yeah, most of the time I'll have like a 10-15 point stop loss. And then I'm generally looking to make, ideally at least 20. 20, 30, sometimes 40, 50. That's what I like with my trades. I always have like a 10-15 point stop loss. But if I'm like in a winner, you know, I trail it to break even, my stop loss, and then trail my winner. Because if it wants to keep ripping and I'm in a big move, I want to catch that momentum and capitalize on it. So, but most of my trades are like 20 to 50 points, I would say. Most of the time. Nice. Internet. Dude, we all eating good. Yeah, guys, the freaking Oh my gosh, dude! Look, see, guys, look at this 10:30 a.m. candle right here. Look what we're talking about. We just ripped up and tapped the highs of the day right here. That was a big move up. Yeah. Look at that. Zach, I did do some market open trades, but lately I just been staying out of it. If I do trade, it'll be like after 7 a.m. lately, if I'm working on other accounts and I'm CS setup. But lately I've been doing well on that starting at 9 a.m. PST. It's been going good. Disciplined futures trader, for a 50K, yeah, I've been using a 5 micros or 1 mini. So 5 to 10 micros basically. Thank you, Ant. Means a lot, man. Glad I inspire you. Get better one day at a time. Keep getting 1% better every single day. Yeah. Yeah, venture capital. That was the momentum we were looking for. But with these fake outs, I was like a little uncertain, if I'm being honest. Yeah, internet. I've been cooking more too. Dude, it feels good, kind of. When you cook a good meal and you get to enjoy it after, it's like, yeah, I made that. It's nice. I love steak and eggs. Yeah, Zach, no worries. Yeah, market open's pretty good if you're like a breakout volume trader, like you like trading the market open, because you can get some big moves in the market open. Like these are some good moves. You can catch up. But for me, for my trading style, like I notice, because I usually have 10, 15 point stops. Sometimes they'll like, I'm right, but I get like wicked hard or stopped out, and then it runs in my favor. And I'm like, with my trading style, it's like I can't use 30 point stop losses. It's too big for me. Andre, hopefully one day, man. That's what we're grinding. We're grinding, man. That'd be pretty sick to have like a little farmhouse. That'd be pretty sick. Like a pond in the back. We can go fishing every day. Dude, imagine like live streaming and then going fishing after. You just gotta pay out. Nice M5, yeah. Yeah, usually I start my mornings with just like 4 cups of water and then 2 cups of coffee. And then sometimes before the stream, I might eat something. Like this morning I had overnight oats before the stream. Or I might have like scrambled eggs with a little fruit. It's pretty nice. Because, guys, I've been noticing I've been getting like hangry lately. Like if I don't eat for like hours, like I'll get like hangry and more impatient. So that's why I'll like eat before the streams sometimes, because I'm like, I don't want to be hangry or something or impatient. But then when I get the food and coffee, I'm settled. I'm like, yeah, Zach, it's a lot more chill. You can see the moves kind of more clearer. Obviously we got faked out earlier, but you can generally see the moves more clearer. You have like the big move already happened in the morning, so we have a general idea of where it wants to go at the moment. Because right now we're pushing bullish. We had a bullish start, but then we got faked out going for a short right there, and looks like we're going bullish again right here. What's up, Miguel? Thanks for joining in, brother. Yeah, we're just chilling right now, looking for a setup. McLovin, you gotta have a clean pond, man. You gotta have like a stream coming in and have a clean pond. You don't want mucky dog water in there. Yeah, John, dude, I watch that dude all the time. He's the one that inspired me to make a pond. The guy, he has a 5-acre pond. Folks at home, welcome to the Crimson Oak Pond, home of these aggressive tiger bass. I love that guy. He's so cool. He's the one that inspired me. Yeah. Imagine I didn't eat breakfast and I was just pissed off and tilted and full porting. All because I didn't get the breakfast. Eggs, oranges, and toast. That's a great breakfast, Zach. No, you're eating good with some coffee. Yeah, you're chilling, man. Honestly. Yeah, John, I love that guy. He's pretty sick. That's cool you watch him too. Yeah, he's the one that inspired me to create a pond too. His bass got pretty big. And look, he has a clean pond. He's got like water like cleaning and pumping in all the time. Yeah, it's a cool guy. Maybe look for a long entry. What's it doing is making a big rip up or down and then pull back right away. So I would think we would enter on the pullbacks. It would be the best entry, you know what I'm saying? That's just my hypothesis. Don't copy my trade, guys. I'm literally just a guy on YouTube. This is for entertainment purposes only. I lose all the time. I win all the time. It's trading. It happens. Yeah, John. I wonder how much money he spends just feeding them every day. Because he feeds, like, a lot of food. Because he feeds them live fish. And then also the pellets. And then also he got the feeders. He feeds, like, the deer and raccoons. No way. One day, John, that's the dream right there. I want to create my own pond, yeah. That pond in my vlogs is just like a walking area. It's just like a big like ditch that forms water when it rains. It's like a cool pond. I would add fish in it, but it drains out, so the fish would die. So we can't add fish in there. Poor fish.
Order filled.
Most likely my last trade. We're gonna try a long entry. We're waiting on a pullback. Only gonna risk 10 points. Less than 10 points, like 9 points. If we win, we win. If we lose, we're 0 for 3 on a day, we call it. Oh man, oh my gosh. Guys, what's up with these entries? Guys, we are getting faked out hard. Unreal. Yeah, John. One day. That's the dream. We're working towards that. Guys, we waited for a pullback to enter long. Overall trend is up. What is this? We got a new 5-minute.
Stop filled.
Oh my gosh. You guys see that? Yeah, we're done. We're done for today. Unreal. Yeah, we took guys, we're 0 for 3. Did you guys freaking see that shit? Oh my gosh. I feel like it's gonna rip up now again. We got in at the weirdest fucking times. We got faked out hard right here. We looked for a breakout short. Stopped out. This one, alright, we waited on a pullback. Well, that's what we're doing. We had a tight stop. Hey, it is what it is. We're going to call it right here on that last trade, honestly. I'll stay with you guys for a little bit longer. But, well, good thing we had a tight stop. Look, it's starting to break down now, but that was this is some bullshit price action, if I'm being honest. Yeah, we should not force a trade on this. We are 0 for 3 on the day, guys. But we managed our risk very well. We had tight stops, 10 points. Like, straight up, 10 points. Wow. But yeah, guys, we have bigger moves probably planned on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, because that's when all the news is happening. Right now, no news. Tradovate, middle. I mean, we managed our risk pretty well today. And the fact that we're 0 for 3, I mean, we're down $300, 320. Yeah, I mean, yeah. There's no reason to force it on a day like this. Yeah, that is true, M5. I just traded a 5-minute. Just what I like. But guys, is this just a fake out wick and then rip on up again? I don't know. But yeah, guys, if you have any questions or comments, let me know. We'll end the stream at 10:50, so 8 minutes. We are over 3 in the day. We took a long right here. Where did we take that long? We took it around here. We took it right here. Got stopped out. Then ran back to break even and then ripped on down. So, is whatever. Then we took a breakout short, falling short. Got stopped out, faked out hard. Alright, whatever. Now we took a long right here on a pullback. Got stopped out right away. Yeah, today is not a good day to trade for me. Yeah. Yeah, guys, we have the chat literally 50-50 on the poll right now. Now we have 55% going up. Yeah, Gabriel, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Appreciate you. Yeah, perp. That's what I was literally looking for, like a higher, like a pullback, rip on higher, make a new high. But it is definitely not working out. Yeah, you are right, Zach. Have a great rest of your day, Zach. Yep. Yeah, we're kind of just ranging right here in a way. Yeah, it's top area. Yeah, look at this, guys. Coming right back down here. Yeah, so, you know, guys, on a day like this, if you're up, congratulations. Like, I think you should just call it, honestly. And if you're down, straight up, too. Like, call it. Yeah, Shino. Small losses, yeah. Not a big deal. This is very... We got faked out pretty hard. Yeah, our dust ain't right. Yeah, they were dancing around a bit. Yeah, but I think we managed our losses really well. We only had like 10-point stop losses, 10, 12 points. So we managed it pretty well. And, yeah, it just didn't work out. Exactly, Meeks. Exactly. Guys, we can make this back. This is what I like. We can literally make this back on one trade. A 30-point move on NASDAQ is literally nothing. We can catch it on one move. So, the fact that we took 3 losses and only down 300, I think that's pretty good, honestly. Jesse, call it a day, man. Midnight, call it a day. Yeah, Meeks, that's the plan, man. We gotta be cautious about going into tomorrow as well because there's no news. So we might see more chop. So we'll see how price moves tomorrow, but yeah. But we're done trading for today. Hey, Meeks, that's still progress, man. You're getting out that hole. One day at a time. One day closer to the buffer, guys. Yeah, guys, we can literally make this back on one good trade. One good trade. Alright, guys, I'll end the stream in 3 minutes at 10:50. So if you guys got any questions or comments, I'll hang out with you guys till then. But yeah, we're done trading for the day. We can come back stronger tomorrow. That's the mindset. Meeks will get banned, brother. We'll get banned. Yeah, look at this. Like, that looked really bullish. Rejected right off there. That was a big 4-hour level. But I was looking at it was going to break, honestly. It looked pretty bullish. That's why I entered long. Twain, absolutely. That is literally the name of the game. Survival. It's literally just surviving. M5, I might in the future, but right now, probably not, just because this is my first month. But I probably might do it in the future. Yeah, that's why we switched down to micros, guys. We literally switched down to micros. Because if I had one mini, that would have been $640 down on the day. That would have been pretty bad. That would have been really bad. Boom, boom, low. Nice, Noe. Beast mode. Thank you, Ibram. Yep. Monday through Friday. We got you guys. 9 a.m. PST. Yeah, I'm going to be very consistent for y'all. Yeah, thank you, Internet. Yeah, we were only risking like 10, 11 points on the trades. Very small risk. Guys, 3 trades losses. We're only down $320. That's nothing. We can make that back on 1 trade. It's just days like this, I would have got tilted. I would have oversized. I would have over leveraged, and I would have over traded just to get back to break even and try to get a payout today. That would have been the old me. I would have got really pissed off and starting trading like 10 micros and trying to get it back and go into a bigger hole. We're not gonna do that. We're gonna call it here. Yeah. Nice, Noe. No, I appreciate M5. I really appreciate all your help, brother. It's just right now, just the live stream is just like this for now. No, you help out a lot, M5, especially in the Discord. I really appreciate you, brother. Shino, yeah, we can just rip it. Simplistic. It's up to you. The rapid plan is trailing drawdown on the MyFundedFutures. So if you don't like trailing and you're gonna go with the pro accounts, then the pro accounts are nice on MyFundedFutures because they have no. Guys, look at this shit. Look, what is this? Come on, guys. What is this? That is making lower lows, looking like it's gonna rip on down, make a new low, breaking down. It's just reversal city. Look, this is very tricky price action. Very tricky. Tradeify is good. They're both good firms. Simplistic. If you want bigger payouts, go with the MyFundedFuture Pro accounts. If you want like still good payouts, end of day drawdown, go with Tradeify. Yeah, I know, literally. Name of the game. Exactly, Internet. That would literally be the old me. I would literally sit down like, what the heck did I just do? Why didn't I just call it on a day? Take my daily loss limit and move on. Because my daily loss limit is basically $300 now because I switched down to... So, guys, I basically give myself 30 points to work with on the day most of the time. So, with 5 micros, like $300. Yeah, the rapid plan is pretty nice. They switched to a 90-10 split. It's basically like TakeProfitTrader, but 90-10 split, so it's nice. You get extra 10%. Yeah, I think MyFundedFutures got to drop a new account, they were saying. Later, Noe. Appreciate you. All right, guys. We're going to call it here. We are 0 for 3 on a day. We got faked out pretty hard on pretty much all the trades. So today is not a day. I think we managed our risk very well, honestly. Like, we had 10, 11 point stop losses. Then we got stopped out pretty much right away. It just didn't work out. It's doing reversals, doing wicks, fake outs. No news today. There's no reason to force it. We're gonna be disciplined and be a good loser and walk away. That's the name of the game. We're gonna survive. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, 9 a.m. Don't overtrade, don't over leverage. Today is not a good day to do that stuff. So peace. See you guys tomorrow. And yeah, go to the gym, go do something, go on a walk, do whatever. Casinator out.